So we have the wagon here. We've gone through kind of the intro. We've gone through cutting the lumber, the tool paths, machining the different parts. So now, as far as assembly, if you have everything cut out, I'm viewing this. This isn't Fusion 360. I'm viewing it in. We have a web version that I don't need to launch Fusion on my machine, and I can view all this information. These are the links that I provided in the project. So if you don't have Fusion, you can see all this stuff. The lighting is a little different, but great to see all of this in a nice viewable. But I'm going to go to let's go to the animation of this. So you'll notice we have the drawings that we saw a minute ago. I also have the animations and all the cam tools or cam tool paths in here as well. So let's just go to the very bottom. This is an exploded view, and this is basically my assembly instructions on how this thing goes together. So you'll notice that I have the first thing I did was assembled one side of the either the right or the left side, and then assembled the other side. So I just glued and stapled those, and then put the front and the back on, again glued and stapled, put the bottom of the seat, put the back of the seat, glued and stapled, put the footrest in here, much the same thing, and then glued the wheels, each of the wheels onto the dowel, slid it through, glued the other part on, and that pretty much was the assembly process. And my daughter did most of the assembly of this, and went pretty easy. So if everything's cut the right length and everything, it pretty much all pops together. You can glue it with Elmer's glue and some staples or some little nails, and away you go. And then let's just take a look at, we'll go back to an earlier version. So when you're done, you get something like this. This is a rendered version, but it's kind of nice as you're doing the design. You can get an idea of what the thing might look like before you're done. You can put in the kind of material, and these are just rendered images of the project. And then you'll see the final version of the project as well. That is the real deal. So anyway, hopefully that helps with the whole process of designing something like this wagon, cutting all the material, generating the tool paths, and then assembling it all together.